A gloomy Sunday afternoon, everyone. Well, Tatay is making a bigger cage for our bird since we have 2 additional birds. Because the more the merrier. Tay no. So we're just using this old grate since it's not used anymore. Nobody's using it anymore. Well, this has been great for the pigs when we weigh them. So we're using it instead of just resting. Yeah. And we bought a screen to go over it. So that's what Tata is working now since he has no work today. So what Tata is doing now is he's welding a stand to it. Tata is not wearing goggles. I don't know where is his goggles or his welding. What do you call that? My little red is at my back. He's carrying some wood near the table because he's playing there. He will play there. So Tata is making a 4 stand. coffee mug is empty.
I need to hold.
Up! Di mo basa, di ba kinanilag si mama? Ano no, si mama lang. So, at the bottom, we will going to put sand mixed with soil. Tay, no? Yeah. We'll give them a bigger space so that you'll get to multiply. And me, I am sweeping. So guys, it's already nighttime and we still haven't finished working on this. Wow. So this one is already used up. It has been thrown away there. So we're using whatever is left over. Okay. So this one here, we're going to put malako sand and gravel, sand, soil, and sawdust. So guys, I don't know when are we going to finish this, or maybe Tatay might finish this tonight, but I don't know. But I'll take another video of this with the birds inside, okay? So, stay tuned for more videos. Please stay home and stay safe. Bye-bye everyone.